Hey guys, today I'm going on a hike and just gonna do a quick fit check, you know what I mean? Got my crib wet, all black. And when I do get up there, we're gonna hike up a mountain today. And when I do get there, I will change this. I'm gonna be wearing short sleeves because let's be honest, the heat. Okay, so this is what I got on right now. Jewelry and everything, and I also got a special surprise that I will be releasing for you guys, something new. Okay, so when I leave, I'm just waiting for some of my friends to call me so I can, we can go. But when I do get the call, when I start going, I'm gonna talk to you guys again. So let's just see. I'm gonna take you on a journey with me today. Let's have fun. Ooh, look at me, look at me, look at me. I'm on the phone. So I got the call and now I'm leaving. So just want to take a quick pic. Yeah, and now I'm going to see you on the journey. Can't see you. You don't tire. You not even begin it. This is a good exercise for me. So these puny humans are already exhausted because we've been walking just like, I'd say just a little mile. It's not even much. Look at her sweating all like that. Look at her. She's down there and she's so exhausted. As you can see, I'm the navigator because I'm the one who knows these streets.
No, bro, you don't know the street, bro.
Close your mouth, please. You look like you're gonna pass out.
No, I'm going to pass on.
Good bad day. No, adult bad day this. so adult bad day have adult activities. I'm saying. Adult bad day, girl.
What's my name with this man? Motherfucker, I fucking hate you.
What's up for you? Alan did survive. Alan did survive. You want me before? And Alan said. Oh god. Oh well, they're still down there. Shade. Then we're gonna keep moving, okay? Shush. How does the hike feel? How does it feel to be this far in the hike, How does it feel? Come on, give us a commentary. Oh, you're feeling tired? But like you've barely even done anything. You've got just that little hill. It's not even much. Okay. How does it feel to be on this wonderful hike?
First of all, let me correct you there. This hike is not wonderful. It's nothing but, it's nothing but hills and hills. The more you go, the higher the hills become.
But you barely...
It is terrible.
It's...
terrible. Read my lips. I will not do it again. Ever.
As I being the host, honestly, I could say this hike has been wonderful. It's been super energetic. I feel super jacked. You know, I've climbed up the hill. We've got that little hill to go, you know, and another hill, and then a mountain to climb and a long road. I mean, it feels like a desert, but like I feel like it'll be worth it. I mean, everyone's already leaving, so. Oh wow, I like this. They're pretty exhausted, but we're gonna make it. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted. I need some water. I tried racing after Alan up this hill, and honestly, it's not a good idea. He's already up there. I could beat him, but I can't really, you know, use too much of my energy because we've got a really long way to go. I just gotta rest a little bit. The girls are down there. They're coming up. The view, man. Well, I guess we're almost there now. Oh, boy, man, don't begin to sing music. We're almost there. Oh, wipe the camera real quick. We're almost there, but everyone is down there, still complaining. Yeah, we're almost there, but it feels like we've been walking forever, honestly. Hiking is hard as hell. And it's my second time going on a hike. I mean, it's supposed to be in a different mountain, but ew, someone peed here. Whatever. It's supposed to be in a different hill, but we eventually settled for this one. Everyone's blaming me somehow. Like, I didn't drag y'all out here, but let's see. It's gonna be a fun hike. Everyone. We're already here, so see the signboards and everything. It's real nice, huh? Oh, Alan, I know me which man today. Eh? At the falls, and everyone is so happy that we're here. Mona. Nope, Bobo Kuvilizing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now watch. Now Mambo. Now some points they read.
I get mine, dude.
I told you you can't do it.
Guys, we are at the waterfall and I'm already seeing water. It's gonna be super interesting. So, what is your favorite thing then about this little trip, this little adventure? What has it taught you?
Well,
You know? Let's go.
well, this ship taught me that good things, good things are,
Hard to find.
no, not hard to find. Good things take time, and sometimes, if the journey was hard, but immediately we are here to see the beautiful view. So sometimes when you don't have something at the moment, patience, patience is the right path that leads you to your dreams and a beautiful sight as much as it is. So that's what I
Yeah.
have to say.
And that is from the incredible poet Muna Roshu. Of course we're gonna What is about Yeah. Yeah, Well, this is my second time, so I'll do it a third time. Let's go! Alan, I put it on for those two. So we're officially done here for today. It was fun. I can't record everything, but I recorded some things. Yeah, it was interesting, but well, we're ready to go. You've seen the way here. Honestly, all I can say is it's fun, but like, well, I guess I'll do like a complete, rundown and rating. Turns out, going is way more harder than coming. Coming back now is just way harder because we get to climb this big old hill and then we get to go down. But was it worth it? Yeah, totally worth it. I'll give my review because these people are way too tired to give reviews right now, I think. But I'm gonna ask them anyway.